Hey you guys, welcome back, welcome back. You see me with my Janet shirt on. Yes, I went to see Janet last year in May. She's coming back to my area, I believe in July, and I will be going to see her again. Okay, so today I had me some crispy chicken. I have my little drumstick here. I have some fries, a biscuit, and I have this chicken here that I done already and put on hot sauce on. They gave me these little hot sauce packages. Gave me a lot of those. So, how are you today? Hope all is well. My little biscuit. Ooh, honey. I hope all is well. Guys, we finally got some sunshine. Can y'all see it coming through the window? We finally got some sunshine. And I kid you not, it seemed like it been cloudy and dreary for the past 2 weeks with no sun. I'm so hungry. I got off of work like a little while back. But I just wanted to stop and give me some chicken. And once I finish eating this chicken, I gotta go down here and tackle my hair. I'm gonna wash it. I got it in a low ponytail. Y'all can see it like. But so I'm gonna go wash all my hair. And go down in that basement before it gets too dark. Was it even with the light on down there? It still be sort of dim. So, piece of fat or something. So, I just stopped there. I want to say hello. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Just to eat this little bitty piece of chicken. Because I'm finna put it up. I want to go tackle my hair before it get too dark. Too dark, you guys. So I thank you for watching. And bye-bye for now. Bye, guys. Y'all want this chicken? I probably won't even eat it. But anyway, you guys. Bye-bye.